Hey, Frida. Frida. So, this is why you don't need a vacuum, and you just need a dog like this. Here's an example. Because this dog basically eats anything, and it's hard. You know, you catch her eating the dumbest things, and, well, you can't stop it always. But here's an example. Frida, what's this? Oh, what's this? Huh? Go. And that's it, Frida. Yeah? Hey, Frida. 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 Just doing a thorough inspection, you know. Gotta make sure all the corners are clean. Oh, found a spot. Isn't that good, Frida? Hey, that's good. Now you get a dog treat. No, I'm joking. You don't need to eat anymore. Hey, good dog. Aren't you?